Oke, mari. Pamai football. Saya baru buka eFootball lagi, Pak. Saya upload thumbnail dulu ya, seperti biasa, Pak. Santai aja sih gua. Nah, thumbnail kayak gini. Messi. Bang Messi. Ya. Di situ saya share Discord dulu. Ntar, Pak. Mana ini? Loh, bukan switch account, full channel. Oke, ini dia. Pamai football. Mending main FF. itu kenapa Habib, Cok? Mabar ya, Mas, udah lama aneh gak nonton. Pak, ini Pak, konsol. Kalau mobile ayo deh mobile. Termalam aja kalau mobile. Saya konsol nih, lihat main saya. Lihat main gue pick. Tuh, kontraknya habis semua. Saya juga pusing ini gimana mainnya, Pak. Tadi buka eFootball. Oh iya, kontrak habis semua, gimana ya? Ntar, saya share Discord dulu. Itu kenapa Habib anjir foto profilnya, Cok? Pak, kok Panu, Cok? Pamo, astaga. Panu mah anu. Nah, sudah. Lalu makin mantep aja kontennya. Konten? Gue mau bikin konten, Pik. Saya tidak bikin konten. Oke, mari kita buka satu-satu. Gimana kalau misalkan ininya game settingnya kita rubah jadi bahasa Indonesia? Saya mau lihat bagaimana bahasa Indonesia. Nah, bahasa Indonesia. Dulu masih main yang zombie. Game itu collab sama Bulog beneran anjir. Beneran, Cok. Ini lihat apa? Terus bukan suara, apa ya? Tadi bahasa. Komentar. Ya sudah Inggris lah ya, tidak ada Arab tuh. Saya sekali Arab. Oh, TikTok. Ya. Sekarang saya lagi pengen konsisten upload TikTok. Oke, yang pertama kita penalti dulu, Pak. Habis itu baru kita bukain itu tuh email ada berapa tadi? 18 kalau nggak salah. Tuh, penalti saya belum, Pak. Tuh, masih intro penalti saja. Astaga. Oke. Mari. Saya lupa ingat main beginian. Penalti sih kayak gini aja. Oke, masih ingat lah ya cara penalti. Pokoknya lu arahin ke pojok kanan atau kiri, terus lu kurangin dikit aja, lu fullin aja. Habis itu ada sehat alhamdulillah. Iya, udah lama Pik nggak main, Pik. Dulu main zombie iya, Cok. Itu kelas 8 kalau nggak salah. Oke, mari kita buka satu-satu. Apa? Blue Lock, jujur ya, gue nggak terlalu tahu Blue Lock tuh apa. Yang saya tahu ini anim, Pak. Oke, mari kampanye kolaborasi Blue Lock. selesai dalam 11 hari. Siapa Seishiro Nagi? Saya nggak tahu siapa. Tapi pokoknya itu avatar profile dulu mah ber-FF sampai FC, cok. Iya, parah. Kampanye kolaborasi Blue Lock, Yoichi Isagi. Nah, Isagi saya pernah denger. Yang diplesetin sama Inzaghi itu kan. Kalau tidak salah, kampanye kolaborasi Blue Lock. Dapat Inzaghi, Pak. Let's go, mari. Lumayan, nggak apa. Saya tidak punya pemain lagi soalnya. Filippo Inzaghi. Inzaghi mah saya punya. Inzaghi saya punya, Pak, epicnya. Real face masih itu, real face ya. Efek penguat maksimal. Apa ini efek penguat maksimal? Ini baru nih. Blue Lock penyerang maksimal +3 untuk kesadaran menyerang, kontrol bola, penyelesaian, dan akselerasi statistik pemain. Oh, semuanya +3 ya yang tadi disebutin ya, yang ada hijau-hijaunya itu. Oke. Lebih milih PES atau FIFA yuk? Dan coba jelasin alasan. Sekarang kenapa? Karena yang pertama, walaupun sekarang katanya FIFA PS5 tuh nggak ada ini ya, nggak ada apa namanya, nggak ada yang apa sih, broadcast package-nya. Bukan broadcast package, apa ya namanya, pemain masuk, apa itu namanya, lupa. Kenapa FIFA? Yang paling penting faktornya adalah ada karir mode. Udah itu aja, ada karir mode. Ini Master League tidak keluar Pak, sumpah. Dari football 2022 kan katanya mau ada Master League dengan apa namanya, tapi DLC ya kan, kita harus beli lagi buat Master League. Cuma sampai sekarang belum ada, Pak. By the way, saya tadi dapat Kubo. Nah, tapi jeleknya FIFA adalah, nggak jelek sih sebenarnya. Minusnya FIFA mahal. Untuk saya pribadi ya, itu mahal banget. Kalau bisa 1 juta, Pak. 1 jutaan. Kalau barunya ya. Ini program latihan 10.000. Terus bonus login 50 koin. PlayStation Plus member bonus. By the way, saya punya PS Plus. Jadi lu harus pakai pemain Blue Lock lain biar rating pemainnya maksimal. Oh, jadi harus digabungin dulu ya. Sumpah, yang HP tuh saya juga udah lama tidak login, Pak. Bentar. Kita lihat pemainnya. Oh, bukan pengganti, Pak. Nah. Loh, Drogba saya jadi 101, perasaan 100 doang itu. Kubo. Oh, kok ada Thomas Muller, Pak? Dari mana ya Thomas Muller? Tadi saya klaim ya. Kayaknya enggak ada Muller tadi. Baru Muller. Filippo Inzaghi. Ya masukin bench aja. Ganti yang sudah ini. Mbappe lagi. Kubo saja. Terus siapa lagi masukin? Masukin aja. Thomas Muller. Masukin nih, Anda Alex Fernandes, siapa lagi tuh? Alex Fernandes. Terus Neymar udah ada Neymar. Kubo masukin saja daripada Neymarnya habis, Pak. Kita nggak apa. Mbappe, gimana cara ini? Detail pemain, tindakan pemain. Perpanjang kontrak. Oh, bisa pakai GP sekarang. Wah, ya Allah. Mahal banget, Pak. Taruh dah. Loh, kok Rabiot cuma segitu ratingnya? Ganti. Pakai Muller. Bisa kan Muller sini? Nah. Jadi second striker dia. Messi, Casemiro. Oke, saya harus gacha dulu, Pak. Luis Diaz. Anthony itu posisi aslinya apa ya? Son bisa di kanan kan? Nah, ya. Oh, ini dua-duanya bisa di kanan kiri. Mari kita gacha dulu. Oke, mari kita gacha. Ini nggak ada lagunya, jadi agak sepi ya. Kalau misalkan ada lagu, copyright, Pak. Daftar pemain spesial. Blue Lock gratis 3. tersisa 3. Oh, 3 kali kita gacha ya berarti ya. Saya masih punya nominating nggak sih? Kalau misalkan punya, ambil aja nih Rodri. Oh, tidak punya pak, 0 semua, kayaknya udah expired semua pak. Anjir, kok bisa Son di kanan? Nggak tahu, saya tadi coba-coba aja. Oke, mari kita gacha event Blue Lock. Ada siapa saja sini? Blue Lock. Harry Kane, ratingnya 85. Højlund, ini Alejandro Garnacho, Thomas Muller, Choupo-Moting, Rashford, Bruno, sama Kimmich. Nah, rating tertinggi siapa pak? Rating tertingginya 96, Harry Kane sama Kimmich, baru Bruno, Højlund. Oke, mari kita coba dapatkan ya Joshua Kimmich lah ya. Loh, kenapa Muller ada lagi pak di situ pak? Saya sudah punya Muller, tapi nggak hitam di sini. Di sini nggak hitam pak. Tadi saya punya kan Muller. Gacha sekali. Nah, ini apa nih? Kata itu ada tanda-tandanya kalau misalkan ada balon atau ada petasan atau ada apa. Siapa? Joshua Kimmich. Let's go. Kebetulan kita butuh di MF. Wah, botak pak. Ini real face ya? Real face ini. Tapi kalau dikasih winger ya udah nggak apa lah ya. Dikasih Rashford atau apa gitu. Tidak apa, ada Rashford. Mari gacha yang kedua. Oh kan, ada balon, ada petasan, Harry Kane. Ya sih. Siapa itu? Rashford, bener pak. Saya minta Rashford, dikasih Rashford. Astaga. Bisa request sekarang ya football ya. Gimana bang? Saya main di konsol pak. Bisa di ini nggak? Ayo boleh kalau misalnya anda main konsol juga. Bisa crossplay nggak? Kayaknya nggak bisa deh. Katanya mau dibikin crossplay, cuma nggak tahu tuh. Oke, terakhir kita pull terakhir pemain Blue Lock. Nah, ada balon, ada petasan, tapi itunya nggak nyala tuh di footballnya, stadionnya, atapnya. Siapa nih? Choupo-Moting. Muller pak. Kok dapat Muller lagi ya? Halo? Kenapa dapat Muller lagi pak? Nih, saya sudah punya Muller di ini, dup dong jadinya. Ya itu real face lah ya. Mereka kan license juga. Baru di mobile lagi. Aduh, internetnya ini lagi pak. Sekarang, oh ya, sekarang bisa add friend ya katanya ya. Ada teman saya main bisa add friend pak katanya pak. Tiket pemain standar, daftar manajer. Bentar, saya coba atur game plan dulu ya. Banyak yang, nah kan, banyak yang habis kontraknya pak. Gimana ya gue mainin ya? Kita coba masukin yang ada. Nah ini Messi, masukin aja di Messi, ganti Messi yang ini nih. Nah, apa lah. Joshua Kimmich. Ini ada DMF. Atau enggak gini aja. Nggak usah deh, gini bener. Terus siapa tadi? Thomas Muller itu. Siapa ya Thomas Muller? Oh beda deh, ini bukan Blue Lock. Kayak banget Fabio. Kirain saya Blue Lock. Tadi ada Blue Lock. Hah? Salah lihat saya ya? Tadi perasaan Muller Blue Lock deh. Oh saya lihat. Saya salah lihat kayaknya. Rashford. Boleh, Anda Del Piero. Udah ganti. Ben Yedder. Aduh, saya tidak punya pemain pak, sumpah. Neymar boleh masuk. Ben Yedder, nggak apa lah ya, buat sementara. Siapa? Edin Dzeko. Boleh, nggak apa, masukin aja dulu. Duh, ini Canatif. Ini gimana mainnya gue ya? Ini gimana mainnya pak kalau misalkan nggak punya pemain? Ya mau nggak mau pakai yang ini dulu sih. kiper ya Allah, mainan kita ya udah pakai siapa tuh, kiper Meksiko, Ochoa. Ini Meksiko kan dia kalau nggak salah, tapi mainnya di Liga Meksiko sih. Tidak apa-apa pakai itu. Apalagi back kurang, back situ back lagi pak, ini right back. Tidak nggak apa, pakai yang ada dulu ya pak. Jimenez, oh ini ada center back. Van Dijk juga ganti center back. Tuh pada habis pak kontraknya pak, dan perpanjang tadi 200.000, saya cuma punya gope. Tolong kita perpanjang ini deh, Pavard coba ya, berapa ya Pavard ya? Coba Pavard berapa ya? Gimana? Detail pemain, tindakan pemain, perpanjang kontrak. Oh 160.000 nggak apa lah ya, kita perpanjang aja. Virgil van Dijk harusnya murah, tergantung kartu nggak sih? Perpanjang kontrak. 200. Tidak nggak apa, demi Virgil van Dijk tidak ada lagi pak. Nih Kylian Mbappe 100 tadi, ini yang ini 200.000 ya. Merah semua pak. Joel Matip, loh Matip tidak habis kontraknya? Oh tidak pak, kalau gitu gue pakai ini. Ya sudah, pakai yang apa adanya lah ya. Nih pakai nih Liga Meksiko nih, BBVA dah. Squad saya jadi kayak gini. Oke, mari kita upgrade dulu. Yang pertama kita upgrade ini Kimmich, detail pemain, tindakan pemain, latihan level, 10.000 pengalaman, 4.000 pengalaman terbatas. Apa terbatasnya pak? Lama banget bang, kapan mainnya? Saya orang nggak ada kontrak pak, itu pemain juga baru saya ganti-gantiin. Tindakan pemain, sabar ya. Kemajuan pemain, latihan kemampuan, saya juga baru ngeraba-raba lagi nih. Tembak, oh ini iya ngeracik sendiri pak, bentar ya. Official PES Indo, sabar ya. Official PES Indo. Nah ini dia, pemain Blue Lock. Kayak harusnya sih ada sih, dulu saya kalau misalnya ngeracik melihatnya dari sini pak. Kenapa big time? Bukan. Mana Blue Lock? Nah ini dia. Oke, Joshua Kimmich, umpan 7, dribbling 9, ketangkasan 4, ini 8, kekuatan tubuh bagian bawah, sisanya defense 3. Oke. Loh, kok cuma 93 pak? Gunakan poin. Oke, dah, mari kita coba main ya. Kok cuma 98? Kenapa cuma 98 pak? Di situ 99. Oh, harus pakai 3 pemain ya katanya ya. Coba ya pakai lagi. Oh iya, enggak deh. Nggak tahu pak. Pakai aja Drogba dulu. Deh, mari kita main. Let's go. Coba ya, kita coba nyelesain event yang Blue Lock dulu ya. Malam live bang. Live pak. Semoga ya, harusnya live. VS AI, beat the clock. Banyak banget pak ini pak. 4 hari 17 jam. Bentar, detailnya kita dapat apa nih? Kalau misalkan pemain baru saya kerjain. Kalau misalkan nggak dapat pemain ngapain pak? Oh nggak dapat pemain, nggak usah. Ini dapat jersey lagi. Oh dapat kesepakatan undian. Blue lock, oke. Nih, masuk. Mari kita kerjain yang ini. Left FF. Saya tidak main FF, Pak. Dulu main ya, dulu. Taktik permainan. Oh, taktik permainan tuh game plan. Ya bener juga sih. Lawan Inggris. Anda main FF, Zahdan? Stadion. Kalau stadion sudah lah ya, tidak perlu diganti-ganti, Pak. Seragam kandang. Oh, saya punya ini saja. Seragam tandang. Merah apa? Mainlah bang, ini main Pak. Saya juga butuh pemain. Tadi kontraknya udah habis. Sudah lah ya, kayak gini aja dulu. Mari sikat. Mohon maaf kalau tersikat saya ya. Mohon maaf kalau terbantai. Saya apa namanya?
So we're all raring to go again.
Udah lama nggak main.
In life, of course, there's so much more important than this game, and yet
Suara
this game
komentatornya
feels
kencang
so
sekali.
important.
Bentar.
It is crucial, imperative that the teams long way come smoothly out of the blocks here, and it's all building up very nicely.
Nah, ini FC24 nggak ada, Pak. Sederhana tapi EA tidak mampu.
And we rise now for the English national anthem.
Kok ada national anthem? Iya sih, lawannya Inggris. Lawannya negara, Pak. Astaga. Aduh, tidak ada suara. Skip saja lah ya. Bentar. Kayaknya suara ininya tuh. Nah, komentatornya kecil banget, Pak. Nah, dah. Karena mengganggu saya, Pak. Nah, boleh lah segini lah. Nanti kalau misalkan kegedean, saya kecilin lagi. Saya lupa, Pak, kontrolnya apa ya? Joki itu apa ya, joki? Bayang-bayang. Oh, ini L2. Oke. Dapat TAA. Oke, kasih ke Messi. Marcus Rashford. Sabar dulu saja. Pegang bola. Oke. Aduh. Declan Rice. Tengah sendirian dia. Ke kanan. Ada buka. Aduh. Lewat, Pak. Aduh, kok lewat, Pak? Astaga. Kenapa tersikat, bangsat? Ini lewat semua, Pak. Sama Saka. Lewat dua loh. Ini siapa sih, Pavard ya? Sama Van Dijk juga lewat loh. Astaga. Ngapa, kita coba lagi. Bagus. Ya, salah. Sorry. Dapat TAA. Maju Drogba. Iya. Kok ada apa, Pak? Ngerebutnya apa sih? Stand tackle. Thomas Muller. Oke, nice. Kasih ke, aduh, anjir. Bagus tuh padahal. Main bola-bola pendek saja, Pak. Pickford. Harry Maguire kasih ke Declan Rice. Aduh, langsung ke depan. Aduh, bahaya banget pakai gitu, Pak. Tuh, dia bisa gocek-gocek gitu loh. Astaga. Saya tidak pegang bola, Pak. Tolong. Oke. TA, ayo. Ayo, let's go. Kasih Drogba. Ah, lama sekali Thomas Muller. Leo. Aduh, Muller dari tadi, Pak. Hilang mulu bola. Oh, ini double crash R1 ya. Oke. Duh, kepencet kotak. Ya, saya harus ganti tim base deh, penguasaan bola. %. Corner, Pak.
Alexander-Arnold plays it short. Played into the middle. Can he put it away? It's Walker. Now it's Foden.
Nice. Counter attack. Ayo, come on, maju. Shit. Saya lupa cara pemain ginian, Pak. Cara main gini. Cara main e-football. Ih, kok jelek banget kipernya. Kipernya jelek banget. Itu jelek loh kipernya loh. Banyak tersikat lagi sama Inggris.
This contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning belief one way and that losing feeling the other.
That pass isn't the best.
Nice.
Messi. Rashford.
Sabar. Kasih ke Rashford. Santai saja, santai dulu. Mainin bolanya. Astaga, hilang lagi loh. Saya passing aja, bola hilang sendiri, Pak. Aduh. Ini levelnya apa ya? Legend ya? Nice. Come on, Drogba. Ayo, Drogba. TA, crossing. Shit. Kenapa? Wih, itu pelanggaran, shit. Pak, tolong. Kenapa pintu kamar saya kebuka sendiri? Pintu kamar saya terbuka sendiri, Pak. Perasaan tadi udah sudah tertutup dengan benar. Kenapa bisa terbuka sendiri? Sudah babak.
So off we go once more.
Well, this half might require them to produce a plan A, B and C. Leveling the score is easier said than done, but that would be the target. Get back on terms and then use that momentum to go again.
Wah, ini kayaknya kartunya harus saya upgrade semua nih, Pak. Ya nggak sih?
Rice. And it's Trippier.
Saka really
Sulit,
added
Pak,
the
main
width
kayak
there,
gini.
thanks to his willingness to make the run.
Well, played through for the wide man.
Bagus sekali Virgil van Dijk.
Defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the
Tuh.
last they'll see of him.
Cok.
Saka. Oh, that's a key interception. Kimmich. Chumbo. He's felt that, hasn't
Woi,
he?
sit. Gila nggak pelanggaran itu?
Saka looking to add to his goal.
Pak, saya diobok-obok ini Pak,
Now he's off and
namanya.
running. Foden, he's found a way through. He's got Paul. Quick to recover this. The message is clear. None shall pass. Oh,
As-
he's asking for trouble. And the shot! In for the pieces. They are rampant. And they are pulling clear here. Some heroic goalkeeping, but even that couldn't save them this time.
But that's one of the first things you learn, whether you're a striker or not.
Tenang, saya belajar dari kesalahan.
Carry your spillage, and sometimes you get lucky and come your way.
A case now of complete
Woi,
control.
pelanggaran, cok. Ih, tidak pelanggaran wasit.
Saka,
Parah sekali Anda.
Alexander-Arnold,
Nice.
Kimmich proves too strong. And that interception was
Astaga.
most necessary. And he's gone searching crossfield. Muller. And here's Drogba. Saka cuts
Kok
it
tidak
out.
dapet?
Spread it left. Foden.
They've been denied a chance to develop any rhythm in the passing department.
Rice. Trippier. Alexander-Arnold opts for safety. And Maguire. Kyle Walker. For Rice.
Let's go, mari.
Looking wide.
Ini adalah
Oh, that's
waktunya kita
fabulous.
cetak gol.
Oh, good read.
Astaga.
Well, I'm not quite sure he needed to hold up play quite as much as he did then. A couple of his teammates were very
Buset, gue
annoyed.
udah high press banget tuh. Masih lewat. Oke. Coba kita ganti pemain ya.
England choosing to make the first change. Saka, who converts the goals, is being taken off now.
Yeah, he'll get a good ovation for his contribution. I'm not so sure why he's leaving us, though. There's no obvious sign of injury or fatigue.
Bentar, kenapa Henderson? Ada.
Pavard has ended all speculation on his future and chosen to stay put.
Nice.
And it's Son Heung-min. And here's Neymar.
Look, it's a run defences dislike, but the timing has to be spot on.
Hei, lama sekali Anda Jordan Pickford. Bangun. Astaga, tidak ada tuh.
Dyer. Heading backwards. Head out towards the right wing.
Niceties are not part of this approach. This
James
is actually
Maddison.
quite aggressive.
Intercepts the throw. That's well read. He's trying everything to subdue him here.
Well, they've got to deny him time and space, and that's one way of ensuring it.
Pavard.
Marseille really have been second best here, second to every ball, and they can't have any complaints about where they are now. The good thing is they haven't given up, but it's not looking favourable. Jordan Henderson. Just 5 minutes remaining now. Madison
Pak,
hardly
astaga.
anticipates.
Sulit sekali saya buat gerakan.
Bellingham.
Astaga, untung aja.
Kimmich,
Ayolah, 1 gol lah.
the most accurate pass. Spread out to the left. Grealish. Decent hit.
Ah,
And he should have made it.
no.
four.
Tersikat 3-0, astaga. Ya udahlah, Pak. Ayo. Oh, kayak saya perpanjang mainan aja deh.
So that's
Saya
it.
perpanjang mainan aja.
It's all over. A tale of
Tidak
two
bisa ini, Pak,
teams,
kiper
one
seperti ini.
irresistible, unstoppable, the other fragile and seemingly clueless.
Cuma passing tapi tidak finishing, Pak. Percuma dong. Bentar, saya Anda bisa nggak perpanjang dia? 180.000. Ya Allah, tinggal 15.000 duit gua. Nggak bisa upgrade lagi, Pak, gimana ya? Saya tidak punya training token lagi. Astaga. Argentina pula. Sama-sama biru nih. Kayak saya mau ganti base team deh, jadi Indonesia. tapi Indonesia belum ini ya, belum license ya. Ya saya menghemat suara saja, Pak. Terus kalau ada orang baru saya bacot lagi.
Well, good evening wherever you are on this most pleasant evening.
Kurang gila gue.
It's been a
Mari.
terrific atmosphere here. There is great expectation, excitement, and it has built nicely in these idyllic conditions. Conditions which are certainly playing their part in creating a glorious ambience. It's quite a struggle to get in here. Points of access hard to come by, and an awful lot of people gathering to get. And he has been fouled there.
Ini gol nih. Dari sini. Oh, nice.
Jim, you've played in games of this nature. Who could make the difference? Who else but Lionel Messi? I don't need to tell anyone what he's capable of. Some critics.
Astaga. Salah. Kenapa kayak gitu?
The question, that's a foul.
Kok Argentina jersinya nggak ada badge ini ya, badge World Cup-nya dah. Kan ada kan di dadanya.
The ball. That's
Buset, pelanggaran mulu, Pak.
Alvarez. And Fernandez. Molina. Can he get it through? Lo Celso. Big chance! First goal! What a superstar! A total shocker for the opponents. Talk about how to wrestle control. That's how you do it.
Messi tuh, Pak.
Oh, that is a sweet finish, gorgeously controlled and ruthlessly dispatched. Well,
Salah,
that has
Pak.
certainly made
Astaga.
things interesting. That is a
Ya
great
ampun.
knockout. And he's onside. Well, it seems as if he's just had a momentary lapse and slipped into tunnel vision because he had
Oke, nice.
good options around him and he failed to get his head up.
Come on, Son. Cut inside.
Oh, that's
Aduh,
fabulous.
cut inside lagi, cutback. Salah
Well, he
sebutkan saya.
certainly wasn't in the mood to
Kenapa
take
jadi
any
kayak itu
risks.
inside, Pak?
Good work on the right flank here.
Serangan pertama hari ini.
scene. Saw that coming.
Wih, banyak banget pemain Argentina yang maju. Wih, pelanggaran mulu sih.
That challenge.
Saya cuma pencet kotak doang.
Messi! And that's caused a worry or two.
Messi certainly could have and should have made more of that. Pavard.
And it's Drogba. Messi.
Pelanggaran
Now
kan.
it's Rashford. Messi.
Dor. Oke, nice.
His head, but couldn't steer it in.
Corner kah? Atau goal kick? Nggak tahu. Itu nggak pelanggaran loh. Mungkin advantage kali ya. Nggak ada tandanya advantage. Oh enggak pak. Corner? Oke, nice.
Our very first corner.
Aduh,
Big header.
jauh sekali.
But by that far.
Nice.
Messi. Kimmich. Now looking to orchestrate a counter. Molina. Oh, that's beautifully weighted. Important interception. Müller.
Ayo dong. Aduh, kenapa kayak gitu passingnya pak?
Lo Celso takes control of enemies on the move. Lo Celso.
Nice, Van Dijk.
And Dijk
Terus.
defending his corner stubbornly.
Kosong tuh.
Stood up
Ya.
very well to his man. And he's managed to get free.
Buset, 3 biji pak.
That is good. Super running, sharp movement. Came up against a defender though who was ever so determined.
Nice.
Pavard simply refused to be outdone there.
No, kenapa passingnya kayak gitu? Itu passing apa Messi?
Right, his teammates are irritated at that. That's surely a foul.
Astaga, pelanggaran mulu pak. Sumpah 5 pelanggarannya.
Lo Celso gets into some space. Lo Celso.
Look, it's a run defence is this right, but the timing has to be spot on.
Pavard. Messi delivering the goods as expected.
Well, having that sort of player in your side is reassuring because
Shit.
the rest of the team knows he can make his influence count at any stage. It's simply part of his package. When he really wants to, this fella scores.
He's been kicked out. Rashford. That's been intercepted.
Kayak posisi main ngaruh banget ya.
Set up one goal so far. Messi going face to face with his great rival. Fiddles it through. That is a great pick out. Messi. And it's Müller.
Ya,
Lo Celso
aduh, tidak
kept
dapat.
aware, and it is reclaimed easily. And that interception was most
Ah.
necessary. Pavard cuts out the pass.
Aduh, Van Dijknya.
De Paul,
Turun.
Alvarez. Solid defending, refused to be outmuscled. Kimmich did well to emerge with the ball. That's a contest to keep an eye on.
Kenapa itunya bahasa Spanyol?
The less said about that pass, the better.
Announcer. Ya itu deh.
Strong running down that left flank.
Passing yuk. Passing. Astaga.
So there we are, half-time. Both teams head into their respective dressing room. And while there was a genuine flow about the game, most importantly,
Astaga, ya ampun.
it's still very tight here.
Ini main ini aja lawan bot aja kalah apa gimana lawan orang nih.
Half-time score.
Saya ngulang lagi dari divisi 10 kali ya. Apa dari divisi 9?
They seem to lack a bit of desire, especially going forward. It wouldn't surprise me to see a change or two.
Just back from your break, you've missed very little of the resumption of the second half.
press the panic button just yet. They may have to tweak their setup first if they don't grab an early goal in the second half. They can't hold back though.
Nggak apa. Nice try.
Alexander-Arnold.
Crossing aja Pak, kosong Pak itu. Drogba. Ya Allah.
Should really have made more of that.
That definitely had the element of
Shot pertama.
surprise to it. Clearly came
Shot
in when
pertama
no one
hari
was
ini Pak, ya
expecting it.
ampun tryhard. Itu kipernya udah kesono loh astaga. Kenapa? Kenapa kipernya refleks kesono ya? Long ball, ya.
Managed to get it away.
Woi, tidak pelanggaran lagi
Too
astaga.
strong. It's the sort of situation that they'll want to capitalize on now.
De Paul.
Aduh, sayapnya Pak itu.
Passing is crisp and sharp.
Woi, woi.
Oh, that's horribly mistimed.
Astaga, kepencet bulat.
Marseille
No, kartu merah nih.
could have done without
Nah,
this.
saya tidak boleh pemain lagi Pak, ya Allah. Saya tidak boleh. Oh, kuning nggak apa. Udah.
Well, they can protest all they want, but a shake of the head is all they're going to get. Well, it was
Saya
deliberate,
panik, saya pencet bulat.
and
Niatnya mau ngeblok Pak.
Been denied a clear
Kenapa jadi sliding? Astaga, ya Allah Messi. Ya gol ini mah. Oh, what a save, what a save, what a save.
Oh,
What a save.
from the keeper. That
What a
may
save,
turn out
Mayan.
to be
Gila.
psychologically pivotal.
Let's go. Harusnya ini kebobolan nih.
Molina kicks one through. They've got it again.
Astaga, kesalahan-kesalahan kayak gini Pak. Sumpah.
Kept it out somehow.
Alvarez really must be thinking what he has to do to score there.
Tap, ya. Go, 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 go.
Counter.
Naik, 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 naik. Loh, kok situ?
La cantidad de espectadores de este partido fue de
Tuh,
71.000.
announcer-nya. Ya ampun.
Neutral pass. Connected Alvarez.
Loh, tidak offside Pak.
Hits the net. Two to the good. They have breathing space.
Oh, the invitation was received
Dari salah
with such
passing
a
tuh ya.
clever run, and he had that defense in utter confusion.
Argentina take a 2-goal lead and things should be comfortable from here on in.
Well, that second goal has given them so much more command and confidence
Awas,
now,
stop.
and they should be able to take it on from here and either add to their lead or close it out. Surely they'll manage one or the other.
Loh,
Messi.
ada yang nontonin loh.
Marseille corner number 2 then.
Entrará al campo
Setengah aja ya.
número
Ba-
22.
Oke.
Point blank header.
Apa tuh? Point blank header. Baru denger saya kata-kata kayak gitu dari si Peter Juri. Point blank header.
Messi. Lo Celso.
Untuk Tsubasa ada.
Here's Messi.
Oh nice.
Really is being given no
Udah kayak
time
Madun
on
ya.
the ball now.
Tendangan orang kaya.
Dropping into space and
Let's
spraying
go.
balls all over the
Gue ngakak
pitch.
banget lagi tuh tendangan orang kaya.
Enough now.
Cut back. Let's go. Rashford. Ya. Let's go. Let's go. Mari, mari ambil bola, ambil bola. Let's go. Ambil bola. Tuh lihat kartu Rashford saya cuma 82 Pak ratingnya. Let's go.
How very smart.
He just got it right. That's just a great finish, but it's down to very clever movement. You can see this has been
Sudah tidak usah replay.
obviously worked on the training ground. He knew exactly
Langsung
where he
saja,
wanted
sikat.
the ball, and it all came good.
This is threatening to become a really good game.
I think they could sense a comeback here, and so could this crowd. It's all systems go now.
Messi. Pavard. And it's Messi.
Lari. Ya.
Marseille looking to pass their way through.
Aduh, aduh apa tuh notif Telkomsel.
But this is exactly the approach they have to take now, Peter.
Aduh, Messi capek
It's
Pak.
a really front-footed
Ganti
approach.
dah.
Spot on, Peter.
Ih, nggak dapet loh. Wih, gila itu
De Paul.
Marcus Akunya.
It's a good ball out wide. Great ball if he
Acuna.
can get there. He has found a way through.
Lo Celso. Argentina surely have to be commended for their drive and desire. Most teams would be taking the easier defensive route by now. Trump.
There's the shot.
Yes, yes. What a finish. Let's go. 2-2. Let's go.
No time remaining.
Bisa aja lagi saya kepikiran buat ngechip. Saya tidak sadar itu saya kepikiran buat ngechip.
How smart was that?
Let's
Such
go.
a delicate finish.
The
Delicate
skill and
finish.
confidence was just brilliant, and he showed both a quick head and even quicker feet.
Let's go. 2-2. Bagus lagi finishingnya itu, bro. Tidak ada yang lihat, tapi saya lihat. Saya sendiri lihat, dan ini ada replaynya.
Change of personnel. Dybala
Oh
getting
iya,
a
Messi saya ganti Messi dulu.
can be interpreted as a clear show of intent.
Well, this
Ini
could
siapa
lead
yang
to
nonton, Pak?
an
Satu orang.
injection of energy that might disrupt the rhythm of their
Ngebak, Pak?
opponents.
Entran número 21, número 11, Di María.
Rashford asis ya tadi. Cemek aja. Udah. Ini ada yang nonton siapa ya? Ngebak kayaknya deh.
Se va a realizar un cambio.
Jadi beneran dua yang
This
nonton.
has become one superb game of football.
Marseille surely know
Ada yang
by
nonton,
now
Pak.
they've put so much work into producing the equaliser that they'll battle on for a winner. You know, it's all one-way traffic for them now, and they simply have to capitalise on it.
The
Dapat
ball
tuh.
is
Ih,
loose
nggak dapet,
and
Pak.
the chase is on. Dybala.
No.
There's the hit.
Ya. Buang aja, buang. Ih, kok nggak dibuang, Pak? Nice Kimmich. Let's go.
Well,
Kasih ke
both
Rashford.
sides might have to settle for a draw here, although there's still a chance for one
Ah.
last swing.
Nggak offside lagi, salah, Pak. Saya ngontrol Van Dijk-nya. Nice Van Dijk.
It's loose and there's a race for the ball. Oh, that was vital. Son Heung-min for Jordan Henderson. He came
Aduh.
in hard, very hard. I
Press,
have to
press,
say,
press.
That was an exemplary tackle. Stopped
Dapat.
him dead in his tracks.
Loh.
De Paul.
Dapat Neymar. Let's go. Rashford.
Now, and the shot.
Yes. Let's go.
It's in.
Comeback is complete.
The roof.
Let's go. Gol Azo, bro. Rashford MVP, bro. Gila.
That really is quite fabulous.
3-2 comeback, Pak.
His own doing. Yeah, that's what the game is all about.
Yes.
Excitement and entertainment.
Vamos.
What a lovely moment.
Gol del Olympique de Marseille.
Lawan bot aja gini banget gue ya, nggak apa lah. Comeback tetap comeback, Pak. Udah bener loh. Neymar bisa dapet di situ. Finishingnya bagus. Tadi saya pengen passing ke Drogba, cuma ragu-ragu saya. Ya finishing aja lah.
Turn the game on
Masuk.
its head. Now can
Let's
they
go.
hold out?
Well, the last moments
Bertahan,
now,
bertahan,
things are
bertahan.
going to be very frantic. There's still time for a twist or two yet.
No, he wasn't gonna
Buang
be
saja.
fooled. 5 minutes to add. He's going to be disappointed with that.
Menit
Fernandes.
lagi. Yes.
The referee brings
Let's
it
go.
to a close. What
Oh
a
ya kan, ngebak nggak ada yang nonton.
response it was to adversity. What a fantastic game from those players. What unity, what joy. That was so very, very good. Rashford picking up the man of the match
Walaupun
award.
pelanggarannya 6 ya.
No surprise there.
Rashford kan?
Thrilling, nail-biting, perhaps frustrating until the very end, but we do.
Siapa ini? Luis Alberto, ini Gerard Moreno. Tidak bisa di-upgrade kan pemain kayak gitu mah. Mantap. Udah kelar dong. Oh, program latihan 10.000 pengalaman. Oke. Bentar, saya mau gacha dulu, Pak. Saya mau gacha dulu bentar. Saya butuh pemain. Soalnya. Nah. Ini dia. Ini 4.000. Terus ini dapat jersey. Ini GP. Dapat buat ini. GP saya 45.000 tuh. Dikit banget 45.000 mah. Mari kita gacha 2. Saya sudah dapat 3. Tadi Muller, Rashford sama Kimmich. Ini strikernya 2 lagi nih. AMF lah ya, boleh. Ini Bruno Fernandes. Saya daripada saya pakai Muller, Pak, mending saya pakai Bruno, let's go. Nah, ini apa nih? Siapakah dia? Harry Kane. Oke, nggak apa lah ya. Ini rating paling tinggi, Pak. Real face. Satu lagi. Kita pull aja. Siapa yang dapat? Dapat siapa? Rashford. Højlund dapatnya. Pak, astaga. Dia beler sekali matanya. Kok beler gitu, Pak? Halo. Nyengir dia. Dia nyengir. Tapi ini real face sih. Saya ada 900. Gimana kalau kita gacha Ronaldinho? Gak ada yang. Gila kali. Oke, kita upgrade Rashford kali ya. Rashford dari tadi nih keren juga ya. 2 gol 1 assist ya dia. Mari kita coba lihat. Mana? Harry Kane ya? Nggak, Rashford tadi dulu. Tindakan pemain, latihan level. Sudah, jalankan latihan. Bentar, saya lihat racikannya dulu, Pak, nyontek dulu. Kemajuan pemain. Mana ya? Nah, ini dia official PES Indo. Oh, enggak, tadi saya save kayaknya deh. Aku jaga. Nah, ini kan bener saya save. Tinggalkan. Siapa tadi ini? Marcus Rashford. 44. 777 sih, 7. Kekuatan di udara tidak ada. Gunakan poin. Oke, nice. Berarti saya sudah upgrade Rashford. Mari kita main lagi. Event apa lagi? cara. Terus AI. Nah, ini apa bulog? Nah, ini dapat lagi nih. Oke, let's go. Dapatkan 3 plus poin. Oke. Berarti harus menang. Bilang aja kek dapatkan 1 kemenangan. Level laga pemula. Jangan pemula juga, Pak. Harus diganti tuh. Sudah tidak apa-apa. Udah pasti 3 poin, Pak, ini mah pemula. Beginner kan kalau pemula itu. Halo Fangki Rahmat. Halo, selamat datang Anda. Saya lagi ini Pak, lagi grinding kartu-kartu Blue Lock. Anda main ini nggak, main eFootball nggak? Saya baru main lagi Pak. Waduh, hujan lagi. Alhamdulillah hujan. Nah ini kartu-kartu saya Pak, masih 80-an semua. Sebenarnya dulu tuh waktu awal-awal tuh main. Waktu awal-awal 2022 ya. Apa namanya, Football 22. Cuma sekarang sudah tidak main saya. Ini baru main lagi nih. Karena kemarin ada yang nyetus, "Bang, main bola kayaknya lagi musim." Oh iya bener juga ya. Saya pusing Pak main F1. Sudah saya main bola lagi.
Such scenes here, a sea of team colours, songs ringing down from the stands. The tone is set for the 90-minute time.
Saya butuh back. Ya iya, ini kan beginner ya, ngapain serius-serius amat Pak. Loh, kecuri.
That's been intercepted. Oh, that's fabulous. Messi. Oh, well played.
Loh, kok kecuri lagi?
Driving forward. But they're certainly pressing with purpose here. And it's Muller. And he's picked out the run. Real chance.
Nah, yang penting menang aja dulu lah ya.
Listen, the big names earn their reputations for precisely the reason we just seen. They have a habit of making the rest
3 kali nih gue main beginner kayak gitu.
and he looks
Bosan juga Pak. Tapi kok salah passing.
seconds to score once the ball is recovered.
They have what they wanted, the first breakthrough.
Well, we've seen the hunger to win it back and the focus to make it count. A very tasty combination.
It's starting to look very comfortable.
And things are much healthier in their favour. Mind you, you would have thought that when the last one went in.
Now it's Messi. Here's Son Heung-min. He's quick to react.
Ayo, Anda mau kemana?
Douglas Luiz. This is good pressing. They're not
Wih,
short on bodies.
itu gitu Pak.
That's a good intervention.
Wih, kenapa salah passing mulu? Astaga.
Astaga. Back to the goalkeeper. Aim forward.
Gitu sih.
Oh, good read. Ball's gone astray. Muller. It's Drogba. Now it's Messi. Over to the left. That's a sweet ball back. In by Luiz.
Oh. Thomas Muller. Salto Pak. Jangan bangga-bangga amat dah. Tapi keren juga ya, acrobatic finishing.
3-0 and things are starting to look awfully cosy.
Well, that's really winded the opposition. You can see their manager screaming on the touchline, telling his team to calm down.
Screaming
But they'll need to do
on the
that pretty
touchline.
quickly. It's composure from here.
Terrific there. Yes, it's there. And again, they simply do not know what has hit them.
That looks like a preconceived plan. Win the ball and then unleash.
Marseille totally rampant here.
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way.
Oh, great chance. That was expertly dealt with.
Tidak puas gitu kalau misalkan golin, Pak.
Room for debate here, but a goal kick's been given. Here, throw in.
Tuh, kenapa dia ke sana sih?
Time, excellent interception. Drogba. Messi! No mistake! One night through buzzer. They have done it again.
Well, it's a goal fest.
Ah.
Now is getting scary.
Marseille's pulling their opponents apart once again. And a header! It's in! There is a man right at the top of his game, and he just knows it.
Wah, masih menit 33, Pak. Ini gue diemin juga.
Clinical, just clinical. What a game this is turning out to be for him.
This is frightening football. He has increased defensive fear on the way to that hat-trick.
Rebut nggak dia?
Well,
Lagi
they're
rebut, Pak.
very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
Oh enggak nih. Biarin lah. Males gue. Anjay. Coba kiper ya.
Going back to the goalkeeper.
Apa itu namanya, rainbow flick ya? Wah. Hiya. Gol ini kiper lama-lama. Tuh kan.
Look, all they want to hear right now is the final whistle. They've been humiliated.
Challenge just a bit on the firm side.
Udahlah. Masih di babak kedua, Pak. Ini lama banget mainnya.
Referee's had a look, and he's blown his whistle for half-time. Who would have seen this? By any yardstick, it is pretty much ideal today.
Yeah, I think the first half performance that showed attack being the best form of defence. If they're in the face of the opposition that much, then there's little they can do in return. And I'm not sure how long they can keep the intensity and the tempo up, but it certainly paid off. And the shots!
Fantastic goal! Sumptuous finish, an absolute joy! And it adds further to a heavily one-sided scoreline. This is getting punishing.
It's a mass exodus now. Certain
Oh,
sections
kepencet.
of the stadium are leaving in droves, and you can't blame them.
He's got 4. That is remarkable. Oh, somewhat off target. He's found a way through. He's got 2. Sticks it away.
Udahlah.
And there it
Ini malah lama-lamain, Cok, ngegolin.
Mini milestone.
Well, I think we've reached the point when even damage limitations is no longer an option.
Siapa ya?
How many? Just how many?
Well, their manager seems to have them always thinking about the next goal. When's the next goal coming? They're such an entertaining watch.
Pavard.
In double.
It's Son Heung-min. Oh, it's played into the area. A well cut out. No margin for error there at all. Kimmich does well to get it back. He's coming under serious pressure here.
Yeah, they've set out to man mark him now, but this is an embarrassing example of too little too late.
Away from immediate danger. Kimmich. Alexander-Arnold. And that's a good ball.
Hei, pelanggaran, Pak.
To challenge. What's he giving?
Pau siapa? Pau Torres ya?
Decided that he was fouled outside
Oh, ini
the
Aston
box,
Villa ya?
and it is just a free kick. Konsa did incur the wrath of the referee and deserved himself a booking in the process.
Yeah, well, they were exposed and vulnerable, and he knew he had to do something to prevent a goal.
Oh,
Special! It is a special goal!
nice.
It is a finish on
100.
the corner.
Kalau gini amat event Bullock.
Almost too painful to watch. Where to next? Well, that was wonderful in every regard. Vision,
Kok jadi gampang free kicknya?
considerable accuracy.
Well, he made it look effortless. Clearly a training ground perfectionist.
And yes,
Udah,
it's
cukup.
him again. Pavard. And that has left him in a heap. And it's Muller. Head towards the other side.
Ah, long ball Asia, Pak.
They want to make the most of this turnover. Pavard.
Alexander-Arnold.
Ini gol lagi, Pak, kalau misalkan.
Oh, he's found him in space.
Jadi lama malah.
It's Kimmich.
Shootersnya ya kali ya. No go.
This is the time you need that pace.
Muller. Oh, here's a chance. Keeper always had the better of that.
Muller knew immediately he didn't catch that to his liking, and his face was a picture of dissatisfaction.
And he's had it.
Wih, masuk lu. Astaga. Bisa ya kayak gitu ya?
They are getting horribly bullied, and it seems there is plenty more to come.
Ya, shoot dari tengah lagi, shoot dari tengah lagi.
The fact it's so one-sided now is getting scary.
Belts one. Oh, terrific save.
Well, he's hit it well enough for me. I suppose it could be a deliberate
Udah kartu
attempt
kuning aja sih.
to just draw that
Udah
defense
kartu
out.
kuning aja sih, Bang.
That is as far as they're going to go.
Bisa nggak ya flashing gitu?
He's kept it out. That's a great save.
Kayak dulu gampang deh flashing kayak gitu.
Anticipating this, they're very much set up
Apalagi di
for
mobile ya.
attack, and I don't see it changing anytime soon.
And it's Muller. He's got a sight of goal.
Oh,
That has faded wide.
Another example of how comfortable this team is on the break.
Treng 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 treng
Oh, what a
treng
mistake.
treng 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 treng
So back it
treng
comes.
treng.
Kimmich. He's going for goal.
Wih, gol loh. Buset. Bagus banget ini syutingnya berarti ya.
That is a gem, an absolute gem.
Posisinya juga nggak enak-enak banget padahal.
And so clear that one side are so much better.
Gue nggak expect bakal gol sih.
Entirely justified. Yeah, it has become ugly for one, but the other is still delivering beauty. No doubt as to who has the
Coba shoot dari sini ya.
the only doubt
Waduh,
is how many is coming.
kena aja tuh.
Well, oh, they could be caught out here. He's thrown and a shot.
Alah. Shoot dari sini coba.
Got a shot away.
Oh, jauh banget. Jauh banget. Hey.
With plenty on that.
20 shot.
Loose pass and they could be in. That's a throw.
Ya ampun. Astaga, astaga. Saya senderan ini, Pak.
He's picked his way through. Muller. Might be danger here.
Ya, jauh banget Messi. Oh, enggak ding. Crossbar.
Bailey.
Bailey siapa, Pak? Eden Bailey.
Showing great feet there. Messi! Oh, impressive strike.
Eric Bailey.
There's going to be another change here.
L Bailey, nggak tahu saya siapa.
Could be danger here. Muller. Tries to think it through. Expert.
Udahlah, Sid.
Really nicely done. And time is up. Marseille have done it. The perfect...
Dapat ini bintang 5, Pak. Laga dengan Muller, laga dengan Rashford. Menang. Udah nggak bisa ya. Tantangan kebuat. Ya Allah, pemula-pemula semua, Pak. Saya malas sekali. Ntar aja lah ya. Saya malas juga, Pak, ngejalanin misinya. Kita coba main divisi aja nggak sih? Ini gacha dulu dah. Oh, misi 10, Pak, kelar. Ini dulu, yang kecil dulu. Ini baru. Kolaborasi Blue Lock. Mainkan laga acara tantangan tim impian. Dapat koin lumayan 50. Jadi 1000 koin kita ya. Menampilkan Harry Kane, menampilkan Højlund, menampilkan Mari kita main divisi aja coba. Enggak, gacha dulu. Main divisi aja lu. Tadi ada di email ada something tuh. Apa itu? Oh, dapat satu lagi. Hadiah acara. Jadi kita bisa gacha 3 kali. Oke, daftar semua. Loh. Kok Blue Lock-nya cuma 1? Tiket pemain stand. Lah, tadi ada. Loh, astaga. Dijamin. Dijamin. Guarantee ya, astaga. Dijamin, ya benar sih, dijamin. Bener. Cuma bagi saya aneh aja, Pak. Rada aneh aja kata-katanya dijamin. Siapa? Loh, tidak ada liganya. Ligue 1. VT-nya. Itu real face ya. Mari kita gacha lagi. Gunakan tiket. Lucu aja, Pak, kalau misalkan ditranslate. 4 yang nonton, Pak. Premier League Bruno. Tapi ini basic ya, Bruno basic. Saya sudah punya Bruno. Enggak, dia nggak punya Blue Lock. Belum dapat dari Blue Locknya. Oke, mari kita gacha Blue Lock. Kita dapat 1 dari event. Nah, ini yang belum dapat siapa? 4 yang nonton, Pak. Siapa aja? Bruno, Alejandro Garnacho sama Choupo-Moting. Oke. Saya mau Bruno, please. Tolong. Saya mau Bruno di football. Konami, tolong Konami. Kalau dapet di football saya malas lagi Pak gacanya, Pak. Udah, Pak. Soalnya yang itu eventnya pemula. Lama banget lagi waktunya. Nah, saya kejar offline aja deh. Garnacho, Pak. Alejandro Garnacho. Itu nggak real face ya? Tidak, kayaknya ini generic, Pak. Mana ada Garnacho kayak gitu mukanya, Pak? Iya nggak sih? Oh, baru 955 koin saya. Kirain gue udah 1000. Oke, mari kita ke laga. Kita cari event apa kali ya? Liga eFootball atau acara? Coba acara. Kita lihat ada apa. PVP. Italian Club. Program latihan keahlian. Oh, ini dapat 50 koin, Pak. Boleh lah. Duh, ini apa nih? Kok suruh milih tim? Venezia. Jai Itzes. Ada Bang Jayadi, Pak. Saya pilih yang bagus aja lah. Saya tidak punya pemain soalnya, Pak. Roma aja, Roma. Roma. Milan, kok jadi Roma? PL. Oh, ini sekali menang ya. Nah, teknik permainan. Ruben Loftus-Cheek. Kenapa tidak Maignan yang beneran? Bentar. Oh, ini Perancis ya, bukan. Oh iya kan, ini Perancis, Pak. Mainannya bukan Liga Perancis. Ya, oke. I see. Mana tadi? Oke, mari kita main satu match. Maafkanlah karena aku cinta kau dan dia. Jumlah video sama subscriber aja banyakkan subscriber ya, Pak. Banyakkan videonya, Pak. Ya Allah, AC Milan lawan AC Milan, Pak. Maafkanlah, ku tak bisa tinggalkan dirimu. Aman semua ya? Udah, mari kita sikat saja. Oh, itu lawan, deng. Ini orang ya, lupa gua. Oke, mari kita
from as both sides look to clear the first hurdle. Supporters here in terrific numbers, so will they be going back happy? The end of 90.
Sabar dulu, Pak.
The San Siro for nigh on a century, Milan's power base, the ultimate status symbol of their glorious history.
Alah,
So it's down to business here.
inilah yang terakhir saya main football ngelek-ngelek kayak gini, Pak. Yang bikin males main football. Sumpah.
Chukwueze.
Chukwueze.
Cuts out the supply.
Nah, kayak gini-gini lah. Saya malas jadi main football, Pak.
Who do you pick out as the telling individual today?
Well, this guy Teo Hernandez, for me, has evolved into one of the best fullbacks, Peter. Certainly in terms of attacking contributions, you'd be hard-pressed to find someone as good as he is in the final third, especially with the movement that allows him to receive the ball in those little pockets of space.
Yes, he'd be my pick too. It's going to be all about how they get the best out of him. And here's Giroud, heading out towards the right wing.
Gol.
Giroud!
Anjir,
And
gol.
the follow-up. Oh, nearly, but nearly is
It's
nothing.
nothing.
Yeah, I think he's going to be a bit disappointed with that, Peter. You would have fancied him to at least hit the target.
Calabria.
Ya, delay Pak ini, Pak.
Intercepted.
Tuh. Paling males main
Now it's
football kayak
Chukwueze.
gini. Memang
Skillfully cut out.
Penyakitnya.
He is so at ease on the ball. Chukwueze!
bukan di football doang sih, saya malas main game online kayak gini, Pak. Nge-lag. Delay parah. Delay itu parah banget, Pak. Kalau delay dikit-dikit nggak apa lah. Parah banget. Anda main bola tapi patah-patah kayak gitu. Di mana letak main bolanya? Bagaimana main? Aduh, kan. Dapat. Nggak dapet tuh.
Milan are behind here despite their domination of possession. And he was quick to react.
Sembuh dong, sembuh, please, please, please.
Now looking to orchestrate a counter. Giroud is onto this. Now it's Chukwueze. Now it's Loftus-Cheek. Oh, he's had a shot.
Ntar finishing di football gimana ya? Tolong, halo.
Rafael Leao.
Milan really can't go chasing this game too soon. Any rash decisions now could see them lose it.
Ini juga
Lets his pass away.
tidak
Oh, well
ini banget juga sih, nggak jago-jago amat nih lawan.
Nicely weighted ball.
Tapi saya tolol juga, Pak.
He pulled back for that one.
Gimana ya? Kombinasi pelawak lawan lawak, Pak.
Adley. And here's Loftus-Cheek. Pinned towards the front line. Giroud.
Oh, salah. Nggak gitu.
Yes, ended up in no man's land.
Lihat dah main kayak gini gimana, Pak?
They
Astaga.
want to be quick here. It's breakaway time. That's positional goals. The utilization of space.
Loh, ke situ.
Up to meet it. Oh, denied brilliantly.
Well, you get a sense, Peter, that he could almost get to anything today.
Loftus-Cheek. Lots of pressure there.
Tolong, ini ngelag sekali.
Well seen. Saw that coming. DiMarco looking understandably energised after his goal. And that interception was most necessary.
Chukwueze really added the width there, thanks to his willingness to make the run.
Well, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. Rafael Leao looking for the runner. Hernandez.
Astaga.
Reinders.
Lama-lama live FF gue juga, FF juga nih gue nih. Jadi bocil FF nih, anjir. Ini main e-football tidak bisa-bisa, Pak. Yo, om.
The idea was a good one.
Kenapa ke sono, anjir?
Not quite so.
He made it look a bit predictable.
Bocil FF.
Filippo Inzaghi.
Saya jadi inget ini, Pak, yang setoran app
Tomori.
yang di
That's a throw.
TikTok. Aduh, out saya. Yang ada pakai celana sunat, Pak. Astaga.
Kalulu. Nice physical challenge. He's got away. Oh, that's fabulous. He's found some space.
Loh. Leao.
He's done very well to get to that.
Well, someone's doing his job properly. Peter,
Rafael
that's for
Leao.
sure. Well, look, they know they've got a height advantage, and it's time for them to use it.
Duh.
And now they can spring out of defence.
Loh. Dapat lagi saya.
Adli. He's shifting through the gears here.
Tuh, gimana dah? Astaga.
Now it's Inzaghi.
Loh, kok ada Inzaghi, Pak?
He's looking for the runner here.
Oh, Inzaghi Milan juga ya?
It's the half-time. It's a half which has simmered along nicely to what may be a more open second half to follow.
Not the most convincing of displays. They could certainly do much better than this. They'll want to keep things simple, build up their confidence, and not rush into mistakes.
Exodus 99 namanya.
Well, it seems like the perfect situation for fortune
Hello.
favouring the brave. 45 minutes to pack in enough risk-taking to get this match turned around. It's very doable. And the shot!
Nggak gol sih, gila. Nggak gol loh.
DiMarco. Rafael Leao.
Nggak gol itu, astaga.
Looking for
Itu udah kayak
options for movement.
bener passing-passing sampai bener-bener nggak ada gangguan, Pak. Tidak gol.
Tomori and Benacer. Well, it's a promising build-up. There's plenty of really nice
Sumpah, ini kalau nggak nge-lag bisa, Pak. Bisa
Gabriel
banget
makes
malah.
the interception.
Cuma nge-lag aja dari tadi.
Chukwueze.
Males banget dah.
Hernandez. Adli. It's a good foot in there.
It's a good
It's been
foot
cut
in
out, well
there.
played. Kalulu. Passing is crisp and sharp. Fiddles it through.
Giroud.
Oh, good spread. They need to play this quicker in transitions like this.
And it's Loftus-Cheek.
Maju Tomori. Tomori.
It's a really well-measured ball. Back into the middle. Passing nice and neat.
Ah,
Oh, that is asking for trouble.
Giroud. Astaga.
That's a half-decent throw.
Kenapa bisa tidak masuk gitu, anjir? Kenapa bisa tidak masuk, cok?
To step up again.
Now it's Giroud. Loftus-Cheek.
Aduh. Dapat. Oke, nice. Mana?
And the finish.
Astaga, tidak gol lagi.
Now, who's going to be first to this?
Ah,
Stop the keeper. That's very, very good. You can't ask for much more than that.
Have their second corner now.
aduh, mic-nya maju lagi, Pak.
Milan showing a little more urgency now.
Saya tidak belajar dari kesalahan lagi.
This is what's required.
This is a really front-footed approach.
Aduh, nge-lag.
Well, the question now is whether
Tolong.
they can sustain it.
Nge-lag, cok.
That has been
No, itu siapa sih?
cut short.
Adli. Siapa Adli?
And here's Loftus-Cheek.
Saya baru tahu ada namanya Adli.
Chukwueze. He's picked his way through.
Buset, Tiau. Ya Allah, salah pasti.
He has found the way through.
Nge-lag, Pak.
To set free a runner. That was a reprieve for the time being. could be danger here. Threads one in. And it's Giroud.
Yalah. Seri dulu lah. Perpanjangan kan kalau seri.
Played right into his path.
Soalnya harus menang, Pak. Nggak ada poin-poin. Aduh.
Smartly reclaimed.
Dapat. Leo. Ayo. Udah.
He is through
Ayo.
here.
Giroud. Sampai nggak masuk.
Not quite. Milan really might just end up kicking themselves after that. That could well have been it. Oh, good read. Oh, he's found support out wide. He's
Chukwueze.
found a way through. Oh, that was
Giroud sudah tidak ada tenaganya, Pak.
truly seem to be at
Harus diganti.
loggerheads in trying to sort this out. Is it the passing or the movement that's the problem? I think both. Now who's going to be first to
nge-lag.
this?
Oh, dia juga nge-lag.
Looking for the run.
Udah masuk. Akhirnya. Astaga, dia juga nge-lag tuh.
Was as close to certain as can be. Well, he
Karena
makes
ganti dulu
things
Giroud
look
nih.
like a matter of
Capek, Kak.
fact. Why take extra touches?
Ada nggak? Okafor. Sayap kanan nggak ada lagi, Pak? Ini siapa, Pak? Masukin aja. Jangan deh. Dikit lagi istirahat juga.
Sostituzione per il Milan. Numero 9.
So time for change.
Itu kenapa announcer-nya bahasa Spanyol ya? Itu bahasa
It's
Spanyol,
for
Pak.
a potential game changer. Well, it's going to make for a frantic
Wih,
game.
kosong banget tuh.
Let's hope he's got enough time to make the impact he wants.
Oh, striker baru ya?
That has certainly made things interesting.
Aduh.
Listen, with the momentum that goal gives them now, they may well push for a winner before the 90 minutes is up. Players don't like extra
Harusnya
time
nggak bisa.
leaving.
Harusnya jangan kayak gitu, Pak. Ke kiper aja
Both
tadi.
sides might have to settle for a draw here.
Gol. Udah gol, sumpah. Menang udah. Udah. That's it. Harusnya dari awal tuh menang, Pak.
With such a clever run, and he had that defense in utter confusion.
Gara-gara nge-lag asu itu nih. Astagfirullahaladzim, ya Allah.
It didn't take him long. Just sitting on the bench and waiting moments ago. Already he has scored.
No.
That's just as the manager
Nggak, buang.
would have seen it. An impact sub.
Minuti di recupero.
Loh, kirain pakai kaki passingnya. Kenapa pakai tangan? Pakai tangan.
Well, the last moments now, Peter, are gonna be
Pakai
very
pala.
frantic. There's still time for a
Ini ada yang
twisted
bolak-balik ke sini ya, viewsnya. Penonton ya?
Reinders.
Oh, bolak-balik. Nice, dah. 2-1.
There goes the whistle. Milan can celebrate now. They have exactly what they craved.
Dapat 50 koin. Jadi 1000 koin saya. Ajang diselesaikan. Dapat 50 koin eFootball. Saya main ini, Pak. Main Liga. Coba. Divisi 10. Wah, 6 loh. Kenapa divisi 6? Padahal udah lama banget nggak main. Bentar. Ada pemain-pemain yang belum saya masukin deh, kayaknya deh. Oh, udah ada Drogba sih. Hah? Taktik? Bentar. Nama taktik permainan Travel CF. Apa ini anjir taktik permainan Travel CF? Hah? Travel CF? Aturan tim dasar. Oh, kita jangan Marseille deh. Venezia saja, Venezia. Jersey-nya bagus, Venezia. kode Ligue 1 di ini di Liga Italia. Loh, kok nggak ada, Pak? Oh, dia Serie B ya? Udah ini ya, udah degradasi ya? Kayaknya sempat di Serie A deh. Nggak sih? Saya streaming lagi nonton orang streaming, Pak. Oh, oke. Dapat lawan ya? Aman semua. Coba kita lihat lawannya. Aduh, dia lebih bagus sih kartunya. Tidak apa-apa. Semua tentang pilotnya. Tapi kalau pemain kayak gini masih ada yang lihat rating 85, 83, apa ini 88 pula. Oh, dia right back. Astaga. Maaf ya, Pavard. Mari kita gas aja. Lama kali lawannya.
Venezia can dream again. The stands here definitely a place for the hopeful, and no doubt that hope is replicated at just about every major ground.
Mari, let's go. Sudah mulai ternyata.
It is time for us all to come
Stadionnya.
together and to believe.
Stadionnya ini ya, autentik ya. Saya nanya sih, nggak mungkin sih kayaknya. Alah, baru mulai nih loh udah kena tackle sama De Bruyne. Kayak ini bukan bot, jadi speednya mereka juga kenceng mainnya. Maradona. Streaming saya kenapa ya? Kayak gini, Pak. Buset. Kaget gua.
will have to
Ngeliatnya.
accept some flack for that. Was anyone really expecting it? Well, someone I'm really looking forward to seeing is one of a kind, El Diego. The word legend is badly overused in our world, Peter, but he qualifies with room to spare. An absolute genius.
Just watching the guy play.
Crossing aja.
It's a
Teh.
thrill. He's so
Wah, kirain
different.
drop, Bapak.
Different.
Can beat teams pretty much on his own.
Nah, ini enak nih, nggak ngelek-ngelek banget. Loh,
Napoli
tidak
do
dapat.
have a chance to counter here.
Apa malah kalah?
Looking for the run. Decent ball.
Nice.
Goalkeeper's ball. Messi.
Anything noteworthy in the early part of the match, Jim? Well, I think both teams probably feel it's too early for either to start taking real risks. So they're still very much in a phase of testing the waters and sizing each other up.
Yo, baru dibilang ya nggak ngelek-ngelek banget, tiba-tiba ngelek.
He won't be happy with that one.
Cok,
Messi.
delay, astaga.
And it's Messi.
Delay banget pak,
Facing
sumpah.
up to his adversary. This
Lihat ya.
is a formidable matchup.
Nih, barnya kapan munculnya, nendangnya kapan?
Kimmich
Tuh,
to Muller.
ayolah sembuh, please, sembuh.
And Son Heung-min.
Sembuh lah, ayolah.
Somewhat off target.
Astaga, tidak sembuh
Bruno
pak.
Fernandes. And that's it's Maradona.
Tuh, ngebuangnya kapan lo? Mencet kotaknya kapan? Wah, gini amat mainnya. Aduh,
The one place the keeper couldn't reach.
No other outcome
delay
there.
pak,
That
demi
was
Allah
bang in the
dah.
corner, unstoppable.
Delay gitu ya.
Draw first blood here.
Well, that gives them the privilege to control the tempo of the game. It's up to them to manage it from here now.
Ya ayolah, tadi awal enak banget, awal-awal main.
He's being shifted off it.
Corner,
Big
ya,
chance, corner.
tidak apa-apa.
Venezia with their first corner. The first in the game for either side, actually.
Drogba.
Terrific header.
Aduh.
And he has kept it out somehow.
Drogba is offering a wry smile there.
Bruno Fernandes is looking to set free a runner. Laid out to the left flank. Kimmich. And it's Messi. He's looking wide.
Sabar.
Venezia are behind here despite their domination of possession. Out to the right. And it's
Ah.
Son Heung-min.
Ngelek sekali.
It's a run defence is dislike, but the timing has to be spot on. Well, he got rid because he was
Dapat.
under pressure.
Ya.
Might be danger here.
Well, he certainly wasn't in the mood to take any risks.
Siapa dari tadi nontonin pak? Si penasaran. Tidak komen-komen. Apa ganti-ganti orang ya?
Muller. Well played. That has snuffed out the danger.
Tapi yang nonton di sini sih pasti saya kenal pak. Jarang banget yang nggak kenal tiba-tiba nonton. Orang random tiba-tiba nonton.
Son Heung-min. Decent hit.
Emang gitu finishingnya, nggak bisa finishing kayak gitu pak. Loh, kalah header, kalah heading. Oh
Spread
nice.
out to the left. Venezia finding their passes.
Loh,
Oh, that was
kok passing pak?
He's cleared it out of harm's way.
Astaga, itu tinggal shoot padahal.
Pavard. Finally
Astaga,
ball
kenapa
not
ke situ?
quite
Mau
right.
Kimmich
His
saya.
teammates were irritated at that.
Dapat ya, easy. Astaga.
And it's Cristiano Ronaldo.
Loh, ada Cristiano Ronaldo pak.
Rashford.
Loh,
Some resolute defending there. Perfectly measured that.
weh, hey,
Cleared without complication.
gila ya,
That looks a
nge-lag
decent
sampai
ball.
segitunya.
Oh, that is a nice touch. He is through here.
Cutback aja, cutback, Drogba, please. Loncat 2 kali pak kotaknya pak.
Right on half-time. It's a half which has simmered along nicely. Warming up
Loncat
to
2 kali
what may
kotak.
be a more open second half to follow.
Musuhnya nggak megang bola pak.
They seem to lack a bit of desire, especially going forward. It wouldn't surprise me to see a change or two.
And the second half gets underway.
Venezia need to get the balance right.
Ini
to
back
sort
jelek
this
juga
out.
nih.
Ambition must be complemented by just the right amount of caution, and I think the more experienced players can oversee that.
Now it's Messi. He welcomes it in.
Ah,
Again, there's
Upamecano 100 ya ratingnya.
Now it's Messi. Neither of
Alex
these two want to
Messi.
come off second best.
Kok pelanggaran sih, itu body cok.
Foul.
Ini body pak. Pelanggaran. Langsung disuk lagi.
Are
Ya
certainly
ampun.
playing with an intense focus in executing their plan here.
Played out towards the right wing. He's got away.
Upamecano lagi menyelamatkan.
Just about came
Loh,
out on top, but they were
dibuang sama
sadly
dia.
tested. Kimmich. And here's Drogba. Did tidily.
nggak lihat lagi gua.
That is
Gua lagi ngeliat ke tengah tadi.
super running, sharp movement. They certainly caught him
Kok
down.
pelanggaran mulu sih? Hah? Ngapain gua? Nggak ngapa-ngapain itu sih. Ya ampun, berapa pelanggaran, cok. Astaga, pelanggaran mulu.
Just beyond his reach. Rashford. And it's Messi. Oh, that's fabulous. Messi. Up to meet it. He's done very well to get to that.
Drogba really
Coba
must
lagi,
be
coba
thinking
lagi.
what he has to do to score.
Coba lagi, coba lagi, coba lagi.
Now it's Maradona. Shin to shin, bicep to bicep, and he wins out.
No, bro, kenapa harus
De Bruyne.
mau kayak gitu sih?
Away from immediate danger. Engages and forces him off the ball. Hakimi kept aware and it is reclaimed easily. He's picked his way through. He's made sure that's not
Astaga,
getting
tidak
through.
masuk lagi.
It'll be a throw. Pavard. Rashford.
Hmm.
That caused a worry or two.
Oke.
A real chance
Oi.
that he can get through.
Itu 3 pelanggaran, Pak. Pemain saya digeser kayak gitu.
See now, and to be honest, Peter, this is
Tadi saya
what's
nyenggol
required.
ngegeser pemain lawan, kayak pelanggaran mulu.
Irresistible, irrepressible look about them here.
Spot on, Peter.
Bang Messi. Aduh.
Bruno Fernandes gets it away.
Ya
He's had it taken
ampun.
off him.
apa. Coba lagi ya. Loh,
And out to safety.
no, kenapa kayak gitu?
Alexander-Arnold.
Weh,
That is one way to stop him.
pantas ya.
It's one through.
Messi. Loh, kok belum diganti, Pak?
Tries to get it
Messi-nya?
clear.
Kok belum diganti sih? Rasanya udah ganti tadi.
It's beyond the defence.
They may end up with some regret
Sama
with
Neymar?
this tactic, but you have to admire their
Kenapa belum
commitment to
berganti?
goals.
Lah.
Now it's Messi. Looking for options for movement. And it's a brilliant interception.
That's just playing it safe and simple. That's positional goal, the utilisation of space.
Passing is crisp and sharp. And it's Messi.
Oh, ada follower baru.
Shifting into the flank.
No, salah. Nggak bisa kayak gitu, Pak.
They cut out.
Dikira main
this
apa itu
is
kayak
so
gitu.
frustrating. Passing without any end product is just passing time.
Messi.
Oh, that's such a good run. More of that, please.
Great hits.
Shoot. Finally. Masuk juga.
Level terms.
Gila dari tadi.
Some heroic goalkeeping, but even that couldn't save them this time.
Well, that's not the best intent by the keeper, and he's just paid the ultimate price.
Itu belum diganti ya, oh udah.
Venezia have the equaliser, and we're all square.
That goal just serves to give them the momentum and psychological edge at this stage, but for me, they've got to chase a winner. Well, both sides might have to settle for a draw here, although there's still a chance for
Harusnya fullin aja ya. Itu terlalu pelan, Pak.
really looked sharp there, didn't he? That's very well played. Well, they've got to get everyone forward, and maybe even the keeper.
And now a sudden chance to counter. Drogba. Now who's going to be first to this? Jordan Henderson. 2 minutes to be added on. And it's Henderson.
Udahlah, seri.
Pedri.
Udah seri.
Davis. And that will be the final act. Nothing to separate the sides in the end. For the want of desire, drive or determination. No complaints. And today's game has the remarkable distinction of having been entirely
8 shot, 7 on target, cuma 1 yang masuk. Mari satu match lagi dah. Loh, Canatik boleh deh, ini saya perpanjang aja Pak. Ini IMF tidak ada yang bener Pak. Tindakan pemain, perpanjang kontrak item, tidak punya GP 100.000, tidak ada duit, saya tidak ada duit. Ya, lama. Ya udah. Yuk. Lagi streaming ya udah. Macet juga ya udah deh.